तेलंगाना चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर रजत कुमार ने बताया कि ईवीएम में उलटफेर की गुंजाइश नहीं है और ये बात अदालत में कई बार साबित भी हो चुकी है। उन्होंने एक वर्कशॉप से खिताब के दौरान कहा कि इंडिया क्यों मगरबी ममालिक की तकलीद करे, हिंदुस्तानी कानून ने ईवीएम इस्तेमाल करने की इजाजत दी है। उन्होंने इंतखाबी अमल को एक चैलेंज भी करार दिया।
Authenticity, solidity, that is what government stands for. That is what the election commission stands for. Daily challenges ఉంటాయి. డైలీ అంటే నాకు కూడా ఈ పార్టీకి మీరు ఫేవర్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఆ పార్టీకి మీరు కూడా విన్ ఉంటారు అంతే కదా. బట్ ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్, ఇట్ కమ్స్ అండ్ ద విండ్ బ్లోస్ బై. ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ మై వర్క్. 37 times a judicial challenge about the validity and legality of the process has been asked in the higher judiciary. Of course, you know, the decisions of Election Commission are only challenged in through a writ petition filed either in the High Court or the Honorable Supreme Court. Each and every case has been divided in the favor of EVMs. So if you at all believe, like a history of 36 years, 37 challenges, 100% victory for the validity of the process. Not only that, the honorable courts have actually lauded. These are manufactured in public sector undertakings which also manufacture defense equipment. The same companies which are making radars for our country, which are making missile systems and submarine instrument panels for our country, are also making EVMs and VVPATs. ECIL and BEL both are defense undertaking department. Persons who manufacture the inner processes go through 7 levels of check before they enter that final place where the chip programming is designing is being done. Our act has been amended to allow use of EVMs. It has the Representation of People's Act has been suitably amended by an act of the Parliament to allow for usage of this thing. So many times many people come and ask me, America lo vaadalekpotunnaru, anta sophisticated country, Germany ante advanced country undi, mee vaalu cheyalekpotunnaru, meere chestara? Are nenu enduku chestanu? Because we have all the things. And why do you think India will always be last? Should we always follow Germany or America? They can learn from us. Yeah. So these are some of the provisions. Be confident.